Let's learn colors. Colors with Nana. Blue, blue. This color is blue. Blue. Can you say blue? Blue. Purple, purple. This color is purple. Purple. Can you say purple? Purple. Red, red. This color is red. Red. Can you say red? Red. Green, green. This color is green. Green. Can you say green? Green. Orange, orange. This color is orange. Orange. Can you say orange? Orange. Brown, brown. This color is brown. Brown. Can you say brown? Brown. Yellow, yellow. This color is yellow. Yellow. Can you say yellow? Yellow. Black, black. This color is black. Black. Can you say black? Black. Pink, pink. This color is pink. Pink. Can you say pink? Pink. Yay, you did it! I sure hope you had fun.